What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. Today we are using the Vegan Bodybuilder's Cookbook and we are making from it the quinoa and chickpea tabbouleh. Let's get started. So if you've never heard of this cookbook before, it just came out like I think a year or 2 years ago, and it's put together by Samantha Shorkey, and it is essential recipes and meal plans for vegan bodybuilders. It's got a lot of amazing, really delicious recipes in here. So I thought today, why not show you guys one of the amazing recipes from here. So it is super easy. The longest part is cooking the quinoa, which is like 15 minutes, I think. So mine, I might have added in a little too much water, but whatever, it's still fine. But we're gonna put this all into a bowl and everything else is really, really quick. So while this was cooking, I cut up my tomatoes and the cucumbers, cut up the mint, the parsley, and the scallions, and the garlic. And just prepared everything else. So we're gonna add in the tomatoes, the chickpeas, cucumbers. How are you guys doing? You good? I'm good. I'm doing really good. I'm super excited to eat this as well. And scallions, what did I put in there? Scallions, the parsley. I love the curly parsley, just looks good, it's pretty. And the mint, and the garlic. We'll mince the garlic. So gonna take a spoon and combine all of this, and then add, you done? And then add the rest. Okay, so I've moved to a larger bowl because I thought I had anticipated the amount, but no, I had not. Next, we're gonna add in the olive oil, and then we're gonna add in the salt, the pepper, and the juice of 1 lemon. So, add that in. Ooh, no seeds, I am shocked, okay. Nice. Oh, I spoke too soon. The salt is totally to your taste, so however much you want, go right ahead and add it. Preference. Awesome. Ooh, that smells good. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. This would be so nice and fluffy if there wasn't so much water in my quinoa. But next time it will be. Whatever, we all make mistakes, right? That's so good. Oh, I really like that. That's really good. I'm trying to think about how I can describe the taste to you. It's, I don't know, because you've got the citrus of the, you know, obviously the lemon. You've got a bit of the mint flavor. You've got the salt and the pepper. But it's just, wow, they really combine well. I mean, that's tabbouleh, right? That's a great taste. It's fresh. I can say that for absolute certain that it is fresh. It's got a nice kind of good morning. It's a nice, I like it. Yeah, it's a nice punch there. That's good. Woo, that's good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos, just like this one. If you'd like to check out the Vegan Bodybuilder's Cookbook recipe, if you'd like to check out the Vegan Bodybuilder's Cookbook for yourselves, I'll make sure to leave a link down below. I am gonna go eat some more of this, but until next time, remember to love your food, love your life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.